Yo, what up guys? You don't know, this is Lad Hide the Dadz from the DadzLife YouTube channel, and today we're actually going to be doing our Christmas photo shoot. Me and the wife will be working with one of our favorite photographers, Mr. Chris Colliard. He did the wedding photos, so you know we're very attached to his work, and we're doing the Christmas photo shoot today. So there's a couple set of pics in our Christmas onesies and a couple of other outfits, and Chris going to put them together for us down at his studio. So the next time you see us, we'll probably be at Chris's studio, and we'll be probably getting into it. We'll give you snippets, and we'll also be giving you some quick bite-sized looks at the footage. You don't know, not the full footage, but just some quick clips and some previews. So look out for it. We'll be down at Chris's studio after this, so make sure you check it out. And thanks for all the support over the year. You don't know, big. We're ending 2020 on a high note, even though it was a rough year. So big up yourself. So it's the Christmas photo shoot. Look out for it. Boom. Yo, you don't know, you know. With the Chris Colliard photo studio about to do the Christmas photo shoot. You don't know. So we're about to start. After this we'll be giving you the highlights. Big up yourself. You don't know. It's Lord Hide the Dadz on the DadzLife YouTube channel. Don't know. Chris Colliard studio before the Christmas photo shoot. Boom. Don't know. This is the Christmas shoot. Don't know, this is the Christmas shoot. As you can see, the Christmas onesie. Bless up yourself every time we're there. Boom. What up guys? You don't know, we'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from the DadzLife YouTube channel.
Happy Holidays.
DadzLife YouTube channel. We have to thank you for all the support. Shala, you have anything to say to the people?
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, guys. Continue to like and subscribe and share. DadzLife.
DadzLife. Bless up everybody. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support throughout the 2020. We're trying to make it a greater year, 2021. Bless up everybody. DadzLife YouTube channel. Boom.